What is the key strengths you found in Valgro?
Good one. I think, like we do with any vendor discovery, there's always a phase, right? We're looking for a vendor. We look. There's a discovery phase for vendor. How soon is vendor responding to our email, or what due diligence is vendor doing on our request to respond to our email or whatever phone contact. That's the discovery phase. Then there's an engagement phase where we actually give our technical specifications and we hear something more from the vendor like you, saying whether you can do it or not. How do you consider this project? Whether it is in your sweet spot where you have a ready-made machine that you could give us, or you have to make a customized one. This journey, I think, right from the get-go, I had a positive feel because I think Mr. Arvind Patel is very methodical and straightforward to the point. Yes, we can do it. No, we cannot do it. Or this is a R&D type. And he actually took a lot of time to understand what we are asking. And once he took that time, he was able to speak our language. So, to your question, in simple, it is basically the connect that you get, what you're looking for, and the connect that you get, the due diligence that the vendor, in your case, your company, is able to maintain with us. And we, from our experience, because we deal with a lot of vendors of our own, we know when that response comes through, and we know we're dealing with a good supplier, and the conversations are always open. So